Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put custom mug from Printify to Etsy. So here you need to sign up on Printify and create a seller account on Etsy. To do that, you just have to go to etsy.com and Printify, and on Etsy you have to switch this to seller. Now, you need to meet the requirements here. You need to set up your billing, shop name, and policies in order for you to create an account in Etsy. So, submit what is needed to submit. So, this is not an easy way to create an account. You must be legit, you must have your own shop, and also you need to pay in order for you to create an account or to create a shop account here in Etsy. So just follow these steps right here. And then once done, then you will have your Etsy seller account. Now, if you have or once you have it, go to Printify. In Printify, you have to go to stores, you have to add new store, and this time you have to choose Etsy. You have to connect Etsy. So click connect and authorize Printify access to your Etsy shop. Grant the access. You will be directed back to Printify once it's connected. So now, once you have connected your Etsy to your Printify, you can now start designing some products here. So design your custom mug, go to Printify, and then search for mug category here. Now choose the style. Here, what you're going to do is you have to look for start designing. And then you can design your mug here inside the Printify. You can use the mockup editor, upload your custom design, position the design properly, preview the mug. But of course, I strongly suggest also to design your mug using Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. You just have to create an account, create a design, and then look for mug. And then in the design section, you can search anything here. For example, cat, dog. Look for the design, drag that design in the space or the blank space here on your mag, and then you can just change whatever it is, like the font style, font color, the text. Okay, you can change everything here, even the element. But once you're done, what you're going to do is you have to tap on share, download, go back to Printify, upload the picture that you have created using Canva, and then add some designs. You can add some text or change the color. You can add elements here from Printify. And then once done, tap on Save Product. And then you can now add the details, choose your product variants. Once done, you can publish to Etsy. So click Publish in Printify. Your custom mag will be sent directly to Etsy store, draft, or active listing. Go to Etsy Shop, manage your listing to review, and then edit post. Your custom mug is now live on Etsy once you have connected your Printify to your Etsy shop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.